Welcome to Power Search. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to convert railing sketch paths into detail lines, useful when documenting skirtings, covings, and wall protections. On screen, a portion of a floor finishes plan is visible. On this plan, the builder requires me to call out any skirtings, covings, and wall protections. And these elements are modeled using the railing tool, and there are 5 different types on screen, which at the current scale of 1 to 100 are impossible to distinguish. Documenters typically distinguish between the types by using line patterns. In Revit, this would mean drawing a detail line around each type, but this is tedious and highly frustrating should the design change. So the solution is automation. Here is a script that I have developed in Dynamo that converts railings into detail lines. Further along in the video, I'll unpack this script node by node. The script starts off by using one of the simplest collection methods in Dynamo, which is to connect the category and the all elements of category nodes, highlighting the category in question, which in this case is railing. And these two nodes combined will collect all of the elements of the railing category regardless of the different types used. The next part of the workflow will collect the sketch paths of these railings. This node can be found in the Springs package. Use booleans to reject the following inputs. The railing sketches are then converted into a series of detail curves, or better understood as detail lines in this context. Note that this node is from the Clockworks package. To keep control, we limit this function to the current view, which is better understood as the active view in Revit. This is preceded by the list.flatten node, which removes all of the empty stuff that we don't want. Think of this as a cleaning tool. In the final segment, we use the set parameter by name node to grab the set elements, in this case the detail lines, and determine their type. The script can be further developed so that users can edit the inputs. Here, the user can edit the offset distance, set the offset direction, and even select the line type to be used. If you'd like to know how to do this, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a separate video. And here is the result. Give it a go yourself and let me know what you think. Remember that likes, comments, and subscriptions go a long way in helping me give you more. Bye for now. That's the end of the video. I hope that you learnt something new and that you found it interesting.